Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll see how we can deploy Azure resources using our Cloud Shell, CLI, and as well as using our Azure PowerShell. Okay, so in our last video, we have seen how we can create this disk using simple Azure portal. Then we have seen how we can use Azure resource template. But now in this video, we'll see specifically how we can leverage our PowerShell or Cloud Shell. So I'll click here. Okay, and I have two options here. So first of all, I can go with PowerShell. Then we'll switch to Bicep as well. Now here you can mount a storage account. I will select my subscription and I will simply apply. I can say I want to create a new storage account. Okay, and let me select reason. Let me go with ECUS storage account, some random name. Here also let me give some random name and I will create this. So it will take some time. It should be very good. Deployment is in progress, so it is going to create a storage account, this file share and everything in this ECUS region. Let me check as well. Storage account, not yet. And I will wait for some time here. So have some reasons. Okay, now this is ready. Okay, now what I can do, I can go to my settings and I can switch to classic version here because I need to upload some files. Okay, and from here you can select your PowerShell or Bash, like whatever you want. Here we should have an upload button. Yep, here we go. So what I will do, I will upload those files that I've been using from my last few videos. That is these guys, like parameter and template. Okay, so let me do one thing. Yeah, let me first of all select my template here. Okay, I have uploaded my template file. Now I can upload my. I can go upload and parameter file. Okay, now let me tell you how you can verify. So when you click on this curly braces, here you will see both the files are available here, and even you can see data as well. Okay, now here let me click on this template here. So if you see the default value, that is something your AZ-104 disk 2. So what I will say this as my AZ disk 3 because I already have created my disk 1 and 2, right? So let's say I want to create it like disk 3. Okay, here I am giving same name because I have given exactly same name in my parameter file as well, so I'm not going to change it. Let me press Ctrl S. Okay, so it is saved here. Okay, so you have done changes. You can do your changes from yeah, and so now here if I want to create my resource, so I'll be writing my command here. So what I will say, I will simply say new. Here if you see, it is already giving me like direction as well, so I can say dash AZ. First of all, I will give my resource group set resource group. Okay, here I need to give name of my resource group, so I can say dash my resource group name, resource group name, and my resource group name is this, right? AZ-104 R3. So if let me close this. This is my storage. Yeah, this is my resource group. Here I want to create my resource, so I can say AZ-104 dash resource group number 3. Okay, then I need to specify my template file. can say template file. So template file, yep. Then I will give name of my file, that is template.json, and then I will give name of my template parameter file, template parameter file, and then at the end I need to give name of my file, parameters.json. Okay, let me hit enter. Okay, a parameter cannot be found with template file. Let me type it. Alright, so let me press enter here. So here, like, I forget to add this resource group deployment, so please excuse me for that. And okay, now here if you can see, my disk is ready, AZ-104 disk 3. So I can go here, I can refresh this. So this was the storage account that I created. It is visible here now. Let me show you first for that. Here we go. And here if you see, my disk tray is also ready. Okay, now this is how I did it using my Cloud Shell. But let me now use my batch here. Okay, so we'll do the next two deployment using our CLI and basic in next video. So this video will get longer. So thank you for watching this video.